guys, it's Della here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious brownie bites you have ever tasted. So let's get started. Step 1. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups sugar, 1 cup cocoa, 1 cup flour, and a half teaspoon salt. Once you're done whisking your brownie mix, add a half cup melted coconut oil to 2 cups of your brownie mix. Next, add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of water. Bake for 18 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. This will be your finished product. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want me to do next. Goodbye!